Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, in the last video we have started chapter number 6 integers. We have seen exercise 6.1 question 1 to 6 and today we are going to continue with question number 7. So without any delay, let's start students. Question number 7 is write all the integers between the given pair in increasing order. Okay students, let us understand the question. Here you will be given with two integers students. Okay, you will be given with two integers and you have to write the integers which come in between those two integers, and also you have to arrange those integers in increasing order. Increasing order means from smallest to greatest. Let us see our first pair students. First pairs is 0 and minus 7. So which integers come between 0 and minus 7 students? We have studied about number line. Na? After 0 on the left side, negative numbers are there. So from 0 to minus 7, how many numbers will come between? That you have to show. So you know that after 0 it is minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3 and we will go up to minus 7. But students, here you have to write the integers in increasing order. Okay, increasing order means smallest to greatest. But if I write like this, minus 1, minus 2 and I will go up to minus 6. That means it is arranged in decreasing order. Reason, minus 1 is the greatest integer na, and minus 6 will be the smallest one. So how to write the integers? We will start from minus 6 students. Clear na? Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So between 0 and minus 7, these many integers comes, and as we have to arrange them in increasing order, so I have started from the smallest integer and I have gone up to the highest integer. Clear students? In the same manner, point B and point C also we are going to do. Next pair is minus 4 and 4. So students, after minus 4 or you can say between minus 4 and 4, how many integers will come? Minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3 and there you will get 4. Again in increasing order you have to arrange. So I will write the smallest integer first. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. See how easily we are able to solve the answer. Okay, point number C. Minus 8 and minus 15. So same pattern here also. Between minus 8 and minus 15, how many integers come, that you have to tell. So students, after minus 8 it will be minus 9, then minus 10 and then we will reach up to minus 14, isn't it? But first think, which number is the smallest? Minus 9 is smallest or minus 14 is smallest? Minus 14 is smallest. Na? So like this we are going to start. Minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. Finally, these many integers comes between minus 8 and minus 15. Okay, point number D will be your work. You are going to do it as homework. Now let us see question number 8 students. It has 2 points. First point, write 4 integers greater than minus 20. So students, any 4 integers you can write, but it should be greater than minus 20. So can you tell which integers we can write? Greater than minus 20, can I write it as minus 21, minus 22? No, you know the reason. As the negative number increases, its value decreases. So if I will write minus 21 as greatest in comparison to minus 20, it will be wrong. Reason, minus 20 is greater than minus 21. So students, greater numbers you have to write. Na? So I can write it as minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. I hope it is clear to you that why we have written this as answer, because as the negative number increases, its value decreases. So minus 20 is less than minus 19 and minus 19 and all these numbers are greater than minus 20. Question number 9 students. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. Minus 10 is a negative number. You are asked to give 4 more integers which will be less than minus 10. So it's just very simple. What you are going to do? Take other negative numbers after minus 10. They will be smallest than minus 10. All these 4 integers are less than minus 10. So students, these were question number 7 and 8. Note it down and then we are going to see our next question. students, question number 9. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. So first you have to identify whether the given statement is true or it is false. If it is true, then fine. But if it is false, then you have to write the correct statement. Let us see the first point, students. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line. This type of question we have seen in the last video, isn't it? So students, I told you one trick that whenever a number, how to identify which number is to the right of the other? The number which is greatest will always be to the right of the other number, okay? You can use that trick, or if you have any confusion, you can draw the number line also. So students, if you want to draw the number line, suppose like this, so minus 8 will come here and minus 10 will come here, isn't it? First let us use that trick. Which is the greatest among the two? Minus 8 is the greatest, so it should be to the right of the other number, okay? You can check here, minus 8 is at the right of 10, isn't it? So minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line. Statement is true or false, students? Surely it is true. Clear? Okay, next statement, minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on the number line. Again, let us use the trick. Which one is greater? Minus 50 is greater, na? So surely minus 50 will be on the right of minus 100. But here it is given that minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Is it correct? If you want, you can draw the number line and test. First of all, minus 50 will come, then only minus 100 will come. So minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Kya minus 100 minus 50 ke right mein? No, you can see 100 is on the left side of minus 50, isn't it? That means the statement is false. Clear now, students? So here we will write false, and also we have to write the correct statement. So I'll write here, minus 100 is to the left of minus 50 and not on the right, okay, on the number line. Like this we have to write the correct statement. Okay, fine. C point, smallest negative number is minus 1. Is it correct, students? What is the smallest negative number? Is minus 1 the smallest negative number after 0? Which is the first negative number, students? Minus 1, and then it goes on, na? So minus 1 is not the smallest, but it is the greatest negative number. That's why this statement is false. So here I'll write false and I'll correct the statement. Greatest negative number is minus 1. Greatest negative number is minus 1. Okay, students? Last point, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Is it correct? Again, it is false. Reason many times I have explained you, isn't it? Why minus 26 is not greater than minus 25. अब आपको समझ आ चुका होना चाहिए. Okay, so here I'll write the correct statement. Minus 26 is smaller or less than minus 25. Clear? So you can note all these 4 points and then we will see question number 10. So students, question number 10, draw a number line and answer the following. Point A we are going to see. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Students, we can answer this only after drawing the number line. So let us see the first point. Question for A point I have not written, as you can see it from book. I am simply drawing the number line. Okay, so this is the solution for point A. I am drawing a number line here, students. At the center 0, then mark points. Okay. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to minus 4 only I have written. If we will require more integers, then we may write afterwards. Okay. So which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, students? From where we have to move to the right side? From minus 2. It is very clearly given. Means from this minus 2, you will be moving to the right side. 4 steps. Which is the right side? This one or this one? Obviously this one. So move 4 steps, students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you are reaching? You have reached at positive 2 or 2. Okay, so we will write here. We will reach at 2. That's all. Clear? Okay, point number B we are going to see. Again, see the question from textbook. Point B is, which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Means we will start from 1. We will start moving from 1 to which side? Left side or right side? It is given on to the left side. So let us draw the number line and then we can continue. 0. So we have to move to the left side from 1, na? So that means we are not going to come on the positive side. So that's why I have written only up to 4. But here we will write up to 5 or 6. 3, 4, 5. Okay students, now in textbook it is given that you have to move 5 numbers to the left of 1. So students, this is 1. From here I will move 5 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where you are reaching, students? You are reaching at minus 4. Simply we will write. We will reach at minus 4. That's all students. Okay. Now next question we are going to see. Question number C. If we are at minus 8 on the number line, okay, in which direction we move to reach minus 13? So we are at minus 8 and we have to reach to minus 13. To which direction we have to move? So students, we have, so at from minus 8 to minus 13, you will be moving to which direction? Again, let us draw a number line and then you can simply, you can answer simply also, but here it is asked to draw the number line, that's why we will draw. So here I am taking 0 and 1. Okay, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, then minus 13, 12, 11, minus 10, minus 9 and minus 8. So students, you in your notebook you are going to draw it properly. I have no space, so I have simply drawn it to make you clear. Okay. So from minus 8 is given here, minus 8 to minus 13. Which direction we are moving? If minus 13 is here somewhere, then we have to move to the right side. But here is minus 8. Okay, here is our 8 and here is minus 13. So which direction we are moving, students? Yes, we are moving to the left. So we will write, we will move to the left of minus 8. Clear students? So we have to move to the left of minus 8 to reach minus 13. Okay students, point number D. This will be again homework. You have to draw the number line and you have to write the answer, but we will discuss here. If we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? This example only I can give you, students. We are at minus 6. Okay, then for point number D, we are at minus 6 and we have to reach up to minus 1. Which direction we have to move, left or right? Minus 6 to minus 1, obviously we are coming to the right side. So draw the number line, mark the integers and write the answer that we will be moving to the right of minus 6. Okay, and with this students we have completed question number 1 to question number 10 of exercise 6.1 and we have completed the exercise. Now let us start the new exercise, exercise 6.2. So students, exercise 6.2, question number 1, using the number line, write the integers. Okay, so we have to use the number line and we have to write the integers for the given statements. Let us see the first one, students. 3 more than 5. What I told you about in the last video, I have told you, na? More than means plus. For more than you will be moving to the right side, okay, for the integers. But if it is given less than means opposite of right. Opposite of right means you are going to move to the left side. As on the number line, if you are moving on the right side, that means you are moving towards the greatest number, students. But if you are coming back to the number line, if you are coming back on the number line, that means you are coming towards the smallest numbers. Clear now, students? So if it is given more than, that means you will be moving to the right side for adding the numbers. But if it is given less than, then you will be coming back for subtracting the numbers. Let us see. 3 more than 5 you have to show with the help of number line. So again let us read. 3 more than 5 means first we will go to 5 and then from 5 we have to move 3 steps more. So this is clear that on the number line we are going to mark 0 and a few negative integers. Reason, because here we are not going to work with negative integers, it is not required, but surely on the positive side we will be taking few more integers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear now, students? Now 3 more than 5 means first you are going to reach at 5. First we will start from 5. So here I am marking 5 like this, that I am at 5. From 5 you have to take 3 more, means 1, 2, 3. Where we are reaching, students? We are reaching at 8. It means that 3 more than 5 is 8. Here itself I have written the answer, students. Clear na? And mark this also. So we have started from 5, we have reached at 8. So 3 more than 5 is 8. Clear? Then next question, let us see. 5 more than minus 5. Again, students, more than means again you will be moving to the right side. You are going to add, and from where we will be moving? 5 more than minus 5 means minus 5 से 5 ज़्यादा. So first we have to go to minus 5 and then we will add 5 more to it. So that means I'll draw the number line first. Okay, then minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think this much is sufficient. So students, from where we have to start? We have to start from minus 5. Okay, so here I am marking minus 5. So I'll start from minus 5. Again, if you want, then you can make such box also, or directly also we can continue. So minus 5 say 5 ज़्यादा means again I have told you for more than you have to move to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So students, where we have reached? We have reached at 0. So if you want 5 more than minus 5, then you will get 0. And here I am going to write 5 more than minus 5 is 0, which is my answer. Clear, students? 6 less than minus 2. So for less than, what I told you, for less than we have to come back on the number line. We have to take steps backwards. That means we will be moving to the left side in the number line, on the number line. Okay. 6 less than minus 2 means first we will start from minus 2 and then we will be moving to the left side. How many steps? 6 steps. That means here we are going to work with negative integers. So only few integers I will take for positives. This much is sufficient, 0 and 1. Then for negative side I am going to write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Like this, continue. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. So these many integers I have marked on the number line. Then we have to start from minus 2 and we have to take 6 steps to the left. So see, students, I am starting from minus 2. Okay, here. Then 6 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where I have reached? I have reached at minus 8, students. So here I will write 6 less than minus 2 is minus 8. Clear, students? One more question for less than we are going to see. 3 less than minus 2. Let us see. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Up to minus 6 I have marked on the number line, students. Now 3 less than minus 2 means you have to start from minus 2. You have to take 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. Where we are reaching? We are reaching at minus 5. So here I will write 3 less than minus 2 is minus 5. So students, if you know the rule that if you are asked to add, that means if you are given with more than, then move to the right side. If you are given with less than, then you have to come to the left side on the number line. With this we have completed question number 1. Now note this down and we will start question number 2. One thing students, for point number C, I have written the question as 6 less than minus 2, isn't it? But if you will look into your textbook, it is given 6 less than 2. So if such is the condition, then what you have to do, you will be starting from 2 and you will be taking 6 steps back, and then you will be reaching at minus 4. So you can do that question by yourself. In place of 2 here I have taken minus 2. According to that, this is our answer. Okay, don't get confused. Let us see question number 2 students. Use number line and add the integers. Okay, again we have to use the number line and we have to add. So students, first point, you have to add 9 plus in bracket minus 6, but using what? Using number line. Now understand students, 9 plus minus 6 means whatever operation you are going to do, you will be doing from minus 9. So that means when we will draw the number line, okay, like this I am drawing the number line. So first I have to reach up to 9. That's why here I am taking numbers up to 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and one more number I have written 10. Now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Clear students? Just we have drawn the number line here. Okay, now let us start. First you have to go to 9 starting from 0 students. Okay, so I'll start from 0 and I'll go up to 9. Moving which side? I reached up to 9 students, moving to the right side. So here I am having plus 9. Clear students? Positive 9. Now forget this number, ignore this number. What you have to do here? In bracket it is written minus 6. Minus, what I told you about minus or less than students, that you have to come back, means you have to move to the left side for subtracting. So minus 6 is given us students. For this minus 6 from 9, now I will take 6 steps back. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where we are reaching students? We are reaching at 3. It means that thus 9 plus minus 6 will give you how much? It will give you 3. Like this you have to solve students, and here you can show it is plus 9 and here you are moving 6 steps back. Like this we add on the number line students. Okay, let us see the next point, point number B. It is 5 plus minus 11. 5 plus minus 11. What you have to do students? You have to add these two integers. No problem. First decide from where you have to start. Here the first number is 5. So we have to start from 5. Then again ignore this one. What is given here? Minus 11. What I told you about minus, that you have to move to the left side. How many steps I have to take? I have to take 11 steps students. That means negative side में हमको ज़्यादा numbers चाहिए. So accordingly you can write the numbers on the number line. Let us see students. So students, I have drawn the number line here. So first we have to go to 5 from 0. So from 0 first I will go to positive 5. If you want you can write here plus 5. Clear students? Now minus 11. So that means 11 steps to the left side from 5. Count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We reached at minus 6. If you want you can write like this here, minus 11 in the circle. So where we are reaching? We are reaching at minus 6. So students, 5 plus minus 11 will give us minus 6. This will be our answer. Point number C also. Minus 1 plus minus 7. So you have to add minus 1 and minus 7 students. No problem. Now we know how to solve it. Now from where I have to start adding? I have to start adding from minus 1. That means from 0 first I have to come to minus 1. I have already drawn the number line students. Here is the 0. So from 0 first I'll come to minus 1. Here I can write it as minus 1. Okay. Now again ignore this. Minus 7 you are going to do. For minus 7 I told you now, for minus come to the left side. So 7 steps to the left I'll be taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I am reaching at minus 8 students. It means minus 1 plus minus 7 will give us minus 8. Like this we add the integers, students. Note it down and then we'll see the next question. Students, question number 2, point D will be your homework. I am telling you point number E. Here you will see that you have to add 3 integers. No problem, we can add 3 or more than 3 integers also, but you should know the way. Okay. So again see the numbers minus 1, then what I told you, ignore the plus sign. Minus 1, then minus 2 and minus 3 means we are going to work with negative integers only. So I decided then that on my number line there will be few positive integers and many negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay students, now let us see. First which integer is given? Minus 1 is given, na? So from 0 come to minus 1 and write there that this is minus 1, our first step. Now second integer is minus 2. Negative 2, what I told you students, for minus we have to move to the left side. How many steps? 2 steps. So from here 1, 2. So I can show here as minus 2. Clear students? So I reached at minus 3. Clear? Now from minus 3 again next is, means here we have reached, then the third integer is minus 3 again. So that means 3 steps back again. So students, from here 1, 2, 3. Finally I reached at minus 6. So here I can write the answer is minus 6 and here you can show minus 3. How simple it is. What we have done? First we have moved to minus 1 from 0. Then we, as it was minus 2. So from minus 1 I have taken 2 steps back and I reached at minus 3. Then it was again minus 3. So where I have reached, again from there I have taken 3 steps back. Finally I reached at minus 6. Solved. F point students, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. Okay, let us draw the number line and then we will decide where we have to start and where we will go. Okay students, first we have to start from minus 2. So from 0 I'll move to minus 2. Okay, and here I'll write as minus 2. Clear? Then plus 8 is given. Very nice. Plus 8 means no negative number. It is given plus 8. For plus you have to move to the right side. So students, from minus 2 I'll take 8 steps to the right as it is given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after taking 8 steps to the right, I reached at 6. Clear students? Then next integer is minus 4. Again a negative integers. So from this again I have to move 4 steps back, isn't it? So students, for reaching 4 steps back means, now small curves I'll draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where I am reaching? I am reaching at 2 students, a positive 2. So here my answer is 2, and if you want you can show this in bracket also. Clear? And here somewhere if you want you can write minus 2. So like this we add integers using the number line students. We have completed question 1 and 2 from exercise 6.2. Now in the next video we are going to work with the next question. That's all for today students. Thank you.